Capstone entry number 2. Topic: Arctic sea ice change. Place of interest: Alaskan coast. Changes in Arctic sea ice affect several conditions such as atmospheric temperature and humidity, ocean temperature, and ecosystem production, just to name a few. The Alaskan coast is being impacted by this rapid loss of Arctic sea ice. The abnormally warm temperatures in this area are contributing to low ice volumes, which are at record lows. Melt seasons have become longer, by 20 to 30 days per decade, since 1979, which makes the Alaskan coastline susceptible to erosion. This increase in ice-free days also leads to the Arctic Ocean absorbing more solar radiation, and this causes upper ocean temperatures to rise. Sea ice loss is anticipated to continue, which means that the Alaskan coastline will experience more and more ice-free summers by 2040. Studies show that the record low Arctic sea ice levels are not caused by internal climate variability alone. It is highly probable that human activities such as greenhouse gas emissions have contributed to the reduction in Arctic sea ice since 1979. This lack of sea ice makes the communities in the Alaskan coast vulnerable to extreme weather events, which could have devastating effects on their basic survival needs. Activities such as hunting and fishing will be affected substantially as Arctic sea ice levels continue to decrease. Moreover, with extreme weather events come risks such as unsafe travel, which could make it difficult to provide critical supplies and services. There is plenty of scientific evidence to support all of these changes and to take action if we want to remedy Arctic climate change. The United States is an Arctic nation, and it needs to take the necessary steps to make decisions regarding Alaskan and Arctic climate.